Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So I got a good one for you today. Kind of flying under the radar, but I think it has a lot of potential. That is dESO, decentralized social, and this is a unique project. Now, first, let me preference this. There are plenty of decentralized social apps out there, okay? Let me just get that out there. We had Steam, which Steam, it seemed like it had a lot of potential, and it was kind of Ponzi-nomic in how it, and with the people following each other, and it just didn't work. And then they tried Hive, and it just, all in all, it was very clunky. So, why I like dESO so much? Well, as you know, there has been tons and tons of censorship, okay? And, we have library, which kind of lets you post whatever you want, but now the SEC is going after them, for unregistered tokens. And there's been a lot of attempts at this, but never was it really cool. And it just, a lot of the stuff just doesn't gain traction. So, step in dESO, formerly BitClout. Now, what is it? It is a decentralized kind of social experience that allows you to have basically one wallet, one profile, and it allows you to take your identity across multiple dApps. So think of it as an ecosystem. You have the dESO base wallet, and once that's created, you can access all these dApps, and your reputation and your coins follow you, okay? There's a lot to this, and I'll probably do a couple other videos on this, but right off the bat, they have basically these different dApps that allow you to interact socially: decentralized Twitter, decentralized fundraising, decentralized social networks, Overcloud, dESOFi, dESO World, Messenger, so you can have like messaging, a LinkedIn, an OpenSea. This is very, very interesting. So decentralized TikTok. So they're kind of just putting it out there. Easy to use, one profile, access to all these dApps. So I'm just going to kind of give you an example and a quick overview. So how do you get started? Well, let's talk about a little bit about dESO. Now, dESO was almost $200 when it launched, and it pretty much just dumped. So what you have to imagine is this was the building phase, okay? And they had to build this thing out. It's currently sitting at about 1964. Full transparency, I picked up about 500 of these to get started at around, I don't know, it was like 17 something. This was just yesterday. Market cap's 204 million, so still very low. All-time high, $198. All-time low, $5.33. So from the low, it's up about 3x-ish, something like that. So how do you get it? Well, it's available on many markets. Coinbase being one of the mains, okay? So you basically go over to Coinbase, snag some dESO, not financial advice, and then you're in business. Now, to make it even better, they have full MetaMask integration. So when you go over here to claim your profile, you get started, and you basically claim and sign up, and back to dESO.org. Okay, let's see. Okay, so on the main dESO page, the social layer of Web3, this allows you to claim your username. So, why do I think this has a lot of potential? I think it has a lot of potential because it is an ecosystem that's building out the dApps. So think of it like an iPhone. iPhone's just the generic runway, and the use case is all these dApps that can build on this. So let's look at an example. So you go through this, you sign with your MetaMask, and basically lets you build a profile. So let's look at the decentralized Twitter Diamond. So basically, let's see my profile. You have profiles, and it just looks just like Twitter. Now, what makes this really cool is, and I thought about this with YouTube, is what if you could monetize your channel that allowed people that followed you to own part ownership of your channel based on your reputation? Well, with Diamond, you can, because every person that creates an account will basically gets their own coin. So it's minting your own coin. So I have Cryptoslo coins. My current price is $3.52. No one can buy those yet because I have my founder reward set at 100. So basically, you go over your wallet, you send your Coinbase dESO over to your account. Okay, I really don't have much in here right now. I had $3 in here, 0.45. So you send your dESO from Coinbase to your wallet, and then you're in business. Then once they're in your wallet, you can buy your own coin. Now, there is potential for people to rug pull. So be very, very careful. What I mean by that is this has a bonding curve, and the price of the creator's coin goes up on this bonding curve as people buy more coins. So the recommendation on the system is that you keep your founder reward set at 100, and you buy like 10 to 20 of your own coin, and then that way it gives it time for the price to shoot up a little bit. And it's exponential and it's parabolic. So what you don't want to do is buy a bunch of your own founder coins, then dump them on your user's head. That's not very good. If you cash out a little bit after you've built a reputation and your coin has some market cap. So in essence, they're monetizing your reputation as a creator. So this is going to be interesting, and people can buy your creator coins. So after I stack up a little bit of this, I will probably set my founder rewards at like 5 or 10%, which means when someone buys my coin, I'm earning a small fee, as part of being a creator. So it's pretty cool. And then they have Discover, and then you can see they have different, you can start following people, follow or buy. Taylor Swift, that's funny. But yeah, so I think based on the market cap, circulating supply, this could have some leeway. But here's the key with this. I wouldn't buy dESO unless you're in it for the long term. And the reason I say that is there's going to be dips, there's going to be ups and downs and volatility. But something like this, if it gains legitimate traction, especially with you having the ability, you could buy a big creator's coin, it could moon, and then you can make some profits there trading creator coins. So it's definitely a very interesting social experiment. But I'll leave the links down below, and if you're not on dESO, I encourage you to stop out and follow me and get into the decentralized web. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff to cover with dESO, and I'll probably do a couple more videos on it in the future. But especially in these times, YouTube revenue is just, it's nothing. It's like peanuts for the time you put in. This is more interactive and allows more direct support, and it's all integrated with MetaMask, which is super cool. So with that being said, like, subscribe, follow me on dESO. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.